Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iOS 16 update not showing on iPhone. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Journal. On the Journal page, tap Software Update. Check for Software Update. Software Update is not available, then go back. Scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slider to power off, slider to turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your passcode. Then go back home page. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Open the Safari app. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down. Tap transfer or reset iPhone. Tap reset. Tap reset network setting. Enter your passcode. Again reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Then go back Journal page. Scroll down. Tap VPN device management. Remove software profile. Thanks for watching this video.